Creating a website might seem like a daunting task, but it can actually be quite simple with the right steps. The first thing you'll need is a clear vision of what you want your website to look like and what you want it to accomplish. Once you have that, you can start building your website. The first step is to choose a domain name, which is the address that people will use to find your website on the internet. It should be something that is easy to remember and relates to the purpose of your website. Next, you'll need to find a web hosting service, which is where your website will be stored. There are many options available, so do some research to find the one that best fits your needs. Once you have a web host, you can set up your website by installing a content management system, such as WordPress, which will make it easy for you to design and manage your site. After setting up your website, you can start customizing its appearance by choosing a theme and adding your own content. This is where your vision for the website comes into play. You can choose from a wide range of themes and templates to create the look and feel that you want. Once you have your theme and content in place, you can start adding functionality to your website by installing plugins. Plugins are like little apps that add extra features, such as contact forms, social media integration, or e-commerce functionality. Finally, before you launch your website, be sure to thoroughly test it to ensure that everything is working properly. Check all the links, make sure the layout looks good on different devices, and test any interactive elements. Creating a website may take some time and effort, but with the right tools and a clear vision, you can create a website that is both functional and visually appealing. So, go ahead and get started on bringing your ideas to life on the World Wide Web.